Sanju Verma, the charge is that the BJP is running a negative campaign, number one, where you have nothing to prove for what you want to bring, leave alone not even a chief ministerial face. You're constantly building a negative campaign on what the Aam Aadmi Party is not doing. What is the vision of the Bharatiya Janata Party? Who is going to be the chief minister?
You know, Preeti, first and foremost, let me make this very clear that the Aam Aadmi Party's pathetic track record speaks for itself. Sahib Singh Verma from the BJP was the chief minister, the LG was from the Congress. Madan Lal Khurana from the BJP was the chief minister, LG was from the Congress. Sushma Swaraj from the BJP was the chief minister of Delhi, LG was from the Congress. But Sushma Swaraj ho, Madan Lal Khurana ho, Sahib Singh Verma ho, they never complained that LG हमें काम नहीं करने दे रहे. Arvind Kejriwal is a very poor team player. He lacks interpersonal skills. He does not even know the definition of the word accountability. For everything he says, मुझसे ना हो पाएगा जी. बदबूदार पानी, ये तो LG की गलती है. जहरीली हवा, ये तो जी LG की गलती है. लावारिस मोहल्ला क्लिनिक, ये तो जी LG की गलती है. टूटी फूटी सड़कें, ये तो जी LG की गलती है. I had a preliminary estimate of 7.61 crore for renovating my Sheesh Mahal. Finally, I ended up doing it for 33.66 crore at 342% jump. But ये तो जी LG की गलती है. No, wait, Preeti. You gave a long monologue to the Aam Aadmi Party.
I'll give you.
Now let me tell you.
I'll give you equal time and more. But Sanju, answer my question. What is it that the BJP brings to the table? Number one. Number two, will there be a chief ministerial candidate? Because speculations are high that Smriti Irani might finally jump in. Is she or is she not? You want to tell us a thing or two about that?
Preeti, I love coming on your shows, but do you have this, inclination to break my chain of thought just when I'm reaching the point of inflection? क्या प्रॉब्लम है प्रीति आपको मुझसे?
मैम कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. देखिए चलिए, I'll bring my stopwatch. Go ahead, because my only thing is questions never get answered. But go ahead.
ठीक है. No, I will answer your question, Preeti. You asked a fair question. I will answer that. But you cannot allow reckless allegations against the BJP to go unchecked. So let Akshay Marathe, let Aam Aadmi Party darbaris, but most importantly, let your viewers know this. नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने क्या किया दिल्ली वासियों के लिए, कान खोलकर सुनो. Either these projects are in advanced stages, or they have received in principle approval, or they have been brought to fruition. Delhi Meerut RRTS, Delhi Alwar RRTS, Delhi Panipat RRTS, Dwarka Expressway, Delhi Saharanpur Dehradun Expressway, Delhi Amritsar Katra Expressway, Delhi Varanasi High Speed Rail, Delhi Karnal Metro, फरीदाबाद नोएडा गाजियाबाद एक्सप्रेसवे, दिल्ली नोएडा कॉरिडोर, ये सब काम किसने किए हैं? ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार ने किए हैं. एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग प्रीति, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कम्स अंडर द एजिस ऑफ द यूनियन होम मिनिस्ट्री इन दिल्ली, पुलिस कम्स अंडर द एजिस ऑफ द यूनियन होम मिनिस्ट्री, वाटर, पोल्यूशन, पीडब्ल्यूडी, सैनिटेशन, हेल्थ, एजुकेशन, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, रोड्स, हाईवेज, ब्रिजेस, ये सब आम आदमी पार्टी के तहत आते हैं. इनके प्रवक्ता टीवी डिबेट पर आकर बोलते हैं, we built 20 medical colleges. You ask them to name 3, they will name colleges which were built in pre-independent India. They will say हमने तो 48 flyovers तैयार किए हैं. You ask them to name 4 flyovers, ये बगले झांकने लगेंगे. इसलिए थोड़ी शर्म बची है, तो do some introspection, wake up and smell the coffee. नरेंद्र मोदी को गालियां देकर यही हाल हुआ. You got 0 seats in Delhi in Lok Sabha 2024.
All right, Adil, Adil wanted to come in. Okay, ma'am, allow me to bring in Adil. Smriti Irani. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Yes, you want to come in? Go ahead. You want to take that question?
Yes. I will not beat around the bush. I just have this to say. And, I'm not being politically correct. That's not one of my strong suits. That the chief minister is always decided by the Central Election Committee. I did not know Devendra Fadnavis would be the chief minister in Maharashtra. Nor did I know Pushkar Singh Dhami would be the chief minister.
You have to win an election before declaring CM.
Madam, nor did I know, nor did you know Nayab Singh Saini would become
you have not won the election. I was asking whether Smriti Irani is fighting this election as a chief ministerial phase. Okay, fine. All right, okay. Adil Singh Boparai wanted to come in for a rebuttal. Go ahead. I'm running out of time. Quickly, Adil.
Preeti, I think it's high time that the Aam Aadmi Party sheds this main bachara attitude. They've been in power for almost 10 years. With power comes accountability, and they can't evade it. Number one, responding to the Bharatiya Janata Party, if they've mastered something, they've mastered the art of polarization and dividing people along religious and caste lines. They do not have a narrative or a vision for Delhi. All what they have is to create a climate of fear, to create a climate of hate in this country. And if there was been any development in Delhi, it was during the time of Sheila Dikshit ji. Because politics involves the art of bringing together people. Politics involves the art of involving all stakeholders for the betterment of the people. On one hand, you have the Aam Aadmi Party, which is again following the megalomaniac traits of the BJP. This is not what Delhi needs. Delhi needs governance. Delhi needs better education. Delhi needs cleaner air. Delhi needs creation of jobs. And this is where both the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party have miserably failed. And finally, to show the bonhomie of the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, today over 10,000 houses are at the verge of being demolished on the orders of the LG. What is the Aam Aadmi Party doing about it? Has the Aam Aadmi Party picked up cudgels? If the BJP is running amok with their arrogance, if they want to completely destroy the social fabric of the state, what is the Aam Aadmi Party doing about this?
Your
So this
Rahul
is
Gandhi-
Allow him. Please allow him. He will speak.
Your Rahul Gandhi
BJP's
is the most
Can I just get
narrative,
Rahul? Can I get Rahul
BJP's
Singh?
personal attacks, BJP's arrogance, which is on display on your program, needs to be defeated, and the Aam Aadmi Party's politics of evading responsibility, of blaming others, needs to be shunned away. Hence the Congress Party. Hence, a vision for the future
Okay.
to bring back the development which Ms. Sheila Dikshit ji had left,
But
and we will take off from
Raj-
there.